G'day folks, Ben from Snows today showing you the front runner Wolfpack Pro high lid kit storage tub.
Hit it.
The Wolfpack Pro high lid kit offers an extra 6 centimeters of height for storage of tall items, has the same weatherproof design and a durable polypropylene construction so you can throw it in the back of your four-wheel drive or up on the roof rack. Before we dive in, we've got loads more content like this on our channel, so make sure you like and subscribe below. Now let's jump into the product. So this is the high lid kit version of the Wolfpack Pro from Front Runner. The basic version is what's underneath here, the only difference being that this guy offers an extra 6 centimeters of height with this lid here, but we'll run through all those features today anyway. So this guy measures lengthways 51 centimeters, 40 centimeters in width, and is now 29 centimeters in height there, and weighs about 4 kilos, so a little bit extra than the Wolfpack Pro underneath. Around the outside, very similar features. So the base is made the same way with these durable pillars. You've got this honeycomb thing on the bottom here for protection, and if it's being dragged around inside the four-wheel drive or on the roof rack, it's going to offer that protection so you're not, the bits inside aren't sitting directly on the base of what it's stored. You've got the same handles on the side here. The 3 pillars on here to create that stability when you strap it all down, but the difference is this lid on top here. So this lid's actually interchangeable with the lid off the standard Wolfpack Pro here. This has just got this extra height. Now you can stack this on top of the Wolfpack Pro as you normally would, so that sits nice and secure there. But you can also stack the Wolfpack Pro on top of the high lid kit Wolfpack as well. This will lock into place, so it's got little elements here to lock it all into place. So if I put that there, slide it around, you can see that locks into place, and we can now strap that down. And it's going to offer the same sort of stability. I'll show you the lid in a sec because there's a bit inside there that gives that lid strength. So when you strap this down, you're not going to get any sort of collapsing of the material here. And that's the benefit of these tubs over the cheaper tubs that you can buy, say, from a department store. When you strap them down, they sort of all crush in on the sides. These offer the stability that you need when you're traveling or needed to tie it down really securely on the roof rack. You've also got these vertical sides here, so really efficient use of space, and also makes useful the space inside as well, because you're not don't have those angled sides that end up with a bit of wasted space inside. So same 4 latches on the side. These undo like this. The lid comes up, and you can see you've got this extra 6 centimeters in height. So inside the tub here, you've got similar dimensions for the base here, so 44.5 centimeters in length, 33.5 centimeters this way, but the height is about 20 centimeters to here, then you get an extra 6 centimeters of height in the lid here. Having a look up underneath the lid, you can see you've got this honeycomb pattern here, so the lid gives lots of strength as well, so this isn't going to collapse down if you've got things stacked on top of it or a strap going over the top of it. And you've got a rubber seal that sits inside here, that sits over the top of this lip here, so what you've got inside here is going to be pretty weatherproof. I'll give you an idea of what you can fit inside. Heaps of height, so you can put a gas bottle and then you've still got space, so you could put a lot of those things in there and then potentially lay something else on top as well if you like. So gas bottles and a kettle. I'm just going to do one side. I'll see if I can maybe squeeze that down. There we go, you can fit all of that in there. Do these latches up like this, and that fits. It's actually secure, pushed it down nice and firmly. So you can see I've packed that up quite high above the top of the tub here. So you fill the other side up, you can overfill these tubs, put this down, and it keeps it all nice and secure. There is enough space for larger items as well, so you can fit, there's enough length for a saucepan, for example, to fit in here. If I lay this across this way, you can see you can fit saucepan and the handle. That's actually a detachable handle on that, but if you can't detach the handle, you can fit quite a large saucepan in there quite easily. So great option for your kitchen kit, probably a good option for say 4-wheel drive recovery gear if you want to keep that up on top of your vehicle and ready for use, because that's sort of semi-soft, so you could stack it right up, put this lid on, squish this down, and then do these latches up to keep it nice and secure. So that is Front Runner's Wolfpack Pro High Lid Kit. Offers, the base one here was 30 litres. This offers almost 60 litres of capacity, or 57.7 litres of capacity to be more accurate, of storage inside of here, and that nice durable rigid design, so you can throw it on the roof rack, throw it in the back of the four-wheel drive, in the back of the ute, or whatever you like. It's going to keep your gear secure, and it's going to last the distance of the rough and tumble of four-wheel drive touring and camping. Check these out online at snowies.com.au.